To green or not to green? That is the question. We all want to eat our greens, but sometimes children and adults don't want to eat their greens.
Yeah.
So where do we put them? What are we gonna do? Well, I have 3 tips for you today and 2 recipes of how you're going to get more greens in your life this 2019 year. Yes, you are going to be healthier and happier and younger looking than ever by you and I being friends. This is the Master Food Artist, and I'm Darlene Loves, and I'm here to support and inspire you to make delicious, amazing foods the vegan style, so it's healthy and delicious. And yes, those go together. And be sure to subscribe to this Master Food Artist channel and hit the bell, because you're gonna wanna know when the next video comes out, because I have so many yummy, delicious, fast, quick, healthy recipes for you. And not only that, they are amazingly delicious. Let's get started.
The first why greens are important for you?
Fiber. What's great about greens is they have a lot of delicious fiber. And fiber is important because it cleans you out. It takes all the gunk and the goo and everything you ate, and it just cleans it out. If you want clean bowels, you want a clean life, you want to clean from the inside out, eat your greens.
The second tip for why greens are important:
Vitamins and minerals. You know, oftentimes people take vitamins and minerals. Well, I'm saying let's just eat some greens.
Leafy greens.
Have the vitamins and minerals in the perfect quantities inside the food. So be sure to get inside the food, like this recipe with some pudding. Let's get some pudding. This pudding I used to make for my kids, but I promise it's adult safe too. You're gonna love it.
Okay, we have 2 bananas that are fresh, 2 bananas that are frozen in your blender, as we love the Vitamix blender. You know I'm all crazy about that. 2 tablespoons of avocado and a handful of greens. Just throw those all in. And of course, my favorite, the stevia vanilla, and blend it all up. I swear I put that vanilla in everything. And make sure it's nice and creamy. Oh, it's delicious.
All right, let's get on to tip number 3. Tip number 3 about why greens are so important and then how to get them in your diet. They provide you with protein. You know, oftentimes as a vegan, I get asked, where do you get your protein? Well, that's where you get your protein, from greens. Pound per pound, greens have the most amazing digestible protein inside of them. They are so good for your body. They help you repair the muscles after you've gone for a good workout. So let's make this workout smoothie.
Okay, so for this recipe, we have grapes, oranges, and celery. That's how simple it is. Great in electrolytes and in protein and in that deliciousness. Because what's the point of eating if it's not delicious? So throw all those ingredients with some ice to make it a little bit cold. And this drink, like I said, celery is a really good for the good sodium and salt we need. And then the oranges and the grapes are good for the electrolytes, the sugars we need after a workout.
Now you have your 3 whys and 2 hows. Now you know that greens offer you fiber. Number 2, they are full of vitamins and minerals. And number 3, they provide you protein. Now, be sure to create these recipes and then comment in below and tell me how delicious they were. And of course, share this video with your friends. And again, subscribe, hit the bell. See you next week. And be sure to eat your greens. I loves you.